Hello and welcome to Your Next Car. My name's Nakib. I'm going to give you a walk around video of this vehicle, BMW 218 M Sport 2017, done just over 38,000 miles. As you can see, it's in the lovely Estoril blue, xenon headlights, front Y&C splitter in gloss black, black kidney grills, gloss black alloys, just been refurbished, no marks on them. Y&C sidebars with the decals. Car looks really nice with the Estoril blue and black contrast. Lovely Y&C boot spoiler there. Coming to the back of the car, got the 2017 lights, nice rear diffuser. Boots nice and tidy, more space than you'd actually think in there, and it's also got the folding seat option there. Coming round to the driver's side, just trying to get you to see how clean the car actually is. Not very tidy, no dents, no scratches. Privacy glass on the back there. It's got the M badges. Coming to the front, you can just see hardly any chips on the bonnets. Front bumper is really nice. Coming into the inside of the vehicle, interior is very nice, Alcantara, no smells, no odours. Back seats are very tidy as well. Multifunction steering wheel, auto lights, auto wipers. It does have the sat nav, just been serviced 2 miles ago, and before that it's got service history with BMW, covered just over 38,000 miles. Just give you a close-up of the interior. It's got the lovely blue stitching. Door cards are very tidy, silver aluminium trim. Just show you all around the vehicle again. Okay, we currently have 153 BMWs in stock. We have around 9 2 Series M Sports. Hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon at Your Next Car.